What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add Apple Pay to Shopify store. Now if you don't see the Apple Pay payment method, then this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can enable Apple Pay inside your own Shopify store. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. Okay, now I'm going to do that right now, and I'm going to use this as an example. Okay, so all you need to do, guys, is to log into your Shopify store, and then after that you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. Now, as you can see, there are a few different options that will come up here. You want to click on payments. Okay, now after, guys, you click on payments, what you guys need now is to enable Shopify payments. That's the first step. Now if you don't see here the Shopify payments, don't worry, I'm going to be showing you how you can like add Shopify payments here in the top. Now if you can see here Shopify payments, and you can see here, let your customers pay their way with Shopify payments, what you guys need to do, you just need to click on activate Shopify payments. Now after that, guys, you just need to fill all the information. You want to click on submit details, and you need to complete all the information, like your the business type. You need to enter here your personal information, your business information, also your credit card, as you can see here, your phone number. Okay, now you just need to complete all this. Now after you are finished, what you guys need to do, you want to go back to the same settings. Okay, I'm going to click on payments again. After you finish, guys, after you enable Shopify payments, what you guys need now to enable Apple Pay, you just need to click on manage. Alright, now you want to scroll down a little bit, and here, as you can see, it's already enabled Apple Pay, but some people, they can't see Apple Pay even though they enabled it. Now the solution is to turn it off. Click on save in the top right. Okay, and then after that, go back to the same page and turn it on again. Click on manage and turn it on again. Okay, enable it or check this and click on like this, like, and check it, and then click save. And after that, you want to check it. Okay, enable it and click save. Okay, if you don't see the Apple Pay, even though if it's checked, like it's enabled, but you don't see it, just disable it and enable it again. That's it. Now after you check it, click on save. That's it. Now you can see the Apple Pay. Okay, now people can pay using Apple Pay. Now if you don't see the Shopify, if you don't see here Shopify payment, that means the location on your Shopify store is somewhere else. So change it to United States. You can do that by going to store details and then scroll down and click on here, and then change the location to United States here, as you can see, and then click save, and then you will be able to see the Shopify payments inside the payment section here. So hopefully this video, guys, help you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.